Troop 2, we've got him westbound Hancock. Westbound Hancock and Butler southeast, coming up to Marshall. Just slowing down, he's making a right into, looks like party store here.
Making a right into the party store.
Yep, just parked up at Clouds, 4070.
31, I'm right here, so if we get another unit, we can felony stop this.
47, we got MSP and 7347 coming up.
6135, we're rolling up.
Cover.
Somebody's got to get in front of it. There you go. And Central, he's ramming into the patrol cars, trying to get away right now.
Copy. Patrol vehicle has been rammed.
Alright guys, looking good. Watch your crossfire, and lasering your partners.